Imagine a world where machines write stories, design logos, diagnose diseases, and even run businesses. In this video, we'll explore exactly how AI is changing the business world forever, and more importantly, how you can adapt, take advantage of it, and thrive in the age of intelligence. Chapter 1. What is AI, and why is it booming? First things first. What exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. But AI isn't just one thing. It includes machine learning, where computers learn from data, natural language processing, used in tools like ChatGPT, computer vision, powering facial recognition, robotics, automating physical labor. So why is AI growing so fast now? Data explosion. Businesses are generating more data than ever. Computing power. We now have the speed to process huge amounts of data. Open source models. Anyone can use AI tools like GPT, Stable Diffusion, and more. Cloud technology. AI can be accessed from anywhere, even your phone. AI isn't just a trend, it's the foundation of the next economy. Chapter 2. How AI is changing real businesses. Let's talk real-world examples. Here's how AI is transforming industries today. 1. Retail AI predicts what customers will buy. It personalizes product recommendations and boosts sales. Example: Amazon's recommendation engine drives 35% of their sales. 2. Finance AI spots fraudulent transactions in milliseconds. It analyzes credit risks better than traditional methods. Example: JP Morgan uses AI to read legal documents. 360,000 hours saved annually. 3. Healthcare AI helps detect cancer, predict disease outbreaks, and monitor patients. Example: Google's DeepMind AI diagnosed eye diseases as accurately as top doctors. 4. Marketing AI writes emails, captions, ads instantly. It also helps target the right audience at the right time. Example: Coca-Cola used AI to generate ad campaigns. 5. Manufacturing AI predicts machine failures and improves quality control. Example: BMW uses AI in its factory inspections. From big corporations to small businesses, AI is becoming a must-have tool, not just a luxury. Chapter 3. Generative AI, the creative revolution. Now let's talk about the most exciting branch of AI, generative AI. This is the kind of AI that creates things: text, images, music, video, even voices. Popular tools include ChatGPT, writes emails, essays, scripts, and more. Midjourney and DALL-E create beautiful artwork in seconds. Runway ML edit videos with simple text prompts. ElevenLabs generate human-like voiceovers. Synthesia make talking avatar videos. Pictory turn blog posts into engaging videos. Creative professionals, from designers to content creators, are now working faster, cheaper, and better thanks to these tools. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use them. Chapter 4. AI and the job market. Let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI take our jobs? The answer is yes and no. Yes, some repetitive, predictable jobs will disappear. But AI is also creating new jobs and new industries. Here are some jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago. Prompt engineer, someone who writes smart prompts for AI tools. AI trainer, helps improve AI models. Automation consultant, advises businesses on how to use AI. Ethical AI analyst, makes sure AI systems are fair and safe. The truth is, people who know how to use AI will replace those who don't. You don't need to fear AI. You need to learn it and lead with it. Chapter 5. How to start using AI today. So how do you get started with AI right now? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Try free AI tools. Use ChatGPT for writing, Try Canva AI for quick designs. Explore Lumen 5 or Pictory for video creation. Step 2. Identify repetitive tasks. Can AI automate customer replies? Can AI generate reports or data summaries? Step 3. Train your team. Everyone in your company should learn how to use basic AI tools. Step 4. Stay ethical. Don't use AI to plagiarize or deceive. Always check for accuracy. Starting small is okay, but not starting at all? That's the real risk. Chapter 6. Business Success Stories. Still not convinced? Let's look at some success stories. Coca-Cola uses AI to design products and create ad campaigns. Netflix. AI suggests movies based on your taste. Tesla. Autopilot and self-driving tech rely heavily on AI. Spotify. AI curates personalized music playlists. Shopify stores. Small shops use ChatGPT to write product descriptions and ads. From global giants to solo entrepreneurs, AI is helping businesses grow smarter and faster. Chapter 7. Best AI Tools to Use in 2025. Want to take action? Start with these beginner-friendly AI tools. Content creation ChatGPT. Write anything. Copy.ai. Jasper. Create ad copy Quillbot. Rephrase or summarize content Grammarly. Perfect your writing design and video Canva AI. Easy design with smart suggestions. Pictory/Lumen 5. Turn blog posts into videos. Runway ML. Smart video editing voice and sound ElevenLabs. Create voiceovers. Sound Raw. AI VA. AI-generated music. These tools save time, money, and energy. Master one or two, and you'll already be ahead of the curve. Chapter 8. What's next for AI? So what does the future hold? AI assistants that schedule your life, AI bots that negotiate business deals, AI tools that write full movie scripts. Businesses run with almost no staff, just automation. The future is faster, smarter, and more connected. And the businesses that adapt will win. Those that don't will be forgotten. So, what have we learned? AI is not a trend. It's a transformation. Every industry is being reshaped. Anyone can use AI to grow their business. The opportunity is massive, but only for those who act. Try one AI tool today. Automate one boring task. Learn one new skill related to AI. And subscribe to this channel for more future-proof insights. The world is changing fast, but you're not here to get left behind. You're here to lead. Thanks for watching. The future is yours, if you choose to embrace it.